Good morning, evening, and afternoon to everyone. Hope you had a great weekend. Please do visit our website. We're having some specific plans for till the end of the year, which is the live sessions that we cover on Wednesday, Thursday, and Fridays before London or New York. 1 hour, we check the market, we check the setups, a lot of educational stuff concerning Forex, setups, and some stocks, and especially indices. We offer 7-day free trial for $25 a month, but you will not have access for the members area on our website. The members area on our website would cover the recordings, analysis for more than 32 pairs, including crypto and indices, and a dedicated chat with some tradable ideas that we cover and post during the week. It's not a signal service, but a setups that we post in our channel. Hope to see you in our we have a free telegram, public telegram chat. Hope to see you there if you need more information. With this week, as usual, we start with the indices. We're looking to sell setups around these areas that has been concluded and finished from last week, and we expected this drop. We posted it last week on our live session, Sunday usual live session. It happens every Sunday around 3 o'clock Eastern time, so convert it towards where you live. And for this week, we're looking for a sell setups, but there's a potential this price can head towards the up for one more retest and then a major drop. This would push us to the DXY, same concept, but the inverse. We're looking for this to complete as a buy and then a drop. This drop can be corrective or it can go all the way down here. So for our community, we will be looking for sell setups around these areas, if not around the top. Euro, buy setups. This could be a completed correction, one more drop, and then looking for a buy. If you are day trading, you can sell this one, but majorly you should look for buy setups because you're selling the last wave, which is a bit critical, but it's good to look for a reversal or continuation for the uptrend. On higher time frame, we're still in an uptrend. We never broke the uptrend, so we should be looking for buy setups. So I suggest for buy setups around these areas down here. GU, buy setups also after a fake out or a drop, taking out the liquidity that's down here, then you can look for your buy setup at least to the top here, if not heading all the way up here. There's a nice institutional setup up there that you can look for. You can buy it all the way till up here, then sell it from here. CAD, as I said last week, we were right here and somebody asked me like what's the direction. The thing is, in trading, you wait for the market to tell you the exact direction. Like you wait for a specific setup that you're familiar with, you wait for structure, the language, there's specific way that the market gives you signals. There's a language that you need to learn, right? So where we were right here, It was not a sell and not a buy, but at the time being we're expecting a correction and then a buy for the UCAD. So watch these areas to look for a buy. This buy can take you all the way up there. So it's a nice setup that you can look for the following week. Swissy, this can do the following and then drop. So watch this area for you to sell. You can buy this setup, but the buy was last week, forming a correction on lower time frame around the 1 hour. We identified it in our live session that we do every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for a buy setup. So watch these areas up here for your sell for next week. It can go up and retest this structure. NCAD, NU, correction, and then sell. Aussie, same concept. This can easily do the following and then correct, or it can do correction and then sell. While most of the indices can head up correctively and then sell. Silver, we're watching a correction and then continuation for the sell. Same goes for gold. Correction. You can buy this correction, but I suggest, if you don't know how, look for a sell around these areas, a retest of this structure that's up here. Oil, same concept. There's a lot of liquidity up there. Most likely it's gonna do a fake out and then sell. The correction on the higher time frame is not over. We're in a correction form. Last week I wasn't able to identify the structure, but now it's becoming more clearer and clearer. That's why you have to be patient. You have to wait for the setup to happen. You have to be like to know how to read the market. If you're having hard time reading the market, please join us on our public chat. We're more than happy to assist you and give you some tips how, and we have courses for these, how to read the market, or one-on-one with me, or a live course that covers most of the basic all the way to corrections and WXYs. We trade not only Elliot wave, but different concepts combined together to come up with a brilliant way of looking at the market structure, right? So more than happy to assist anyone that needs assistance in reading the market. UJ, looking for a correction. This correction can come back up here and then drop. But if that happens, make sure you're not missing this long on this move. Is gonna be all the way on the daily till up here. So make sure you don't miss that buy if you are a swing trader. JJ, same concept. I'm looking at the following and then a buy. This can easily make a fake out and turn, but look for buy setups. Crypto, been saying it, only buys. There's no indication, no structure saying we are going for a sell. There's a missing leg right here. That's a correction and a buy, or it can go straight from here. We're still in buys on all crypto. So basically these are our weekly forecast that we cover on our YouTube. On our website we go over from 4 hour, daily, weekly, more than 32 pairs. So if you're interested with specific details, watch list, where to look for, what to look for, and when to trade them, so hopefully we can see you there. I will take requests if anybody wants me to cover any chart or any pair that he loves or she loves to trade. OVV. OVV. Correction and look for your buy. If I'm not mistaken, last time I checked it out for a friend of mine, he entered around the 3.5 $4. Yeah, around these areas. I don't know if he's still holding, but it's very cheap, very low. It's a good buy, at least till up here. Just be careful if you know how to measure the following. This can go one more down around these areas, but still your stop is the 0. So do your risk management, and it is a good buy. It went for a pullback. I think the pullback is almost over, so watch for a correction around the 1 hour and take your buy. Hopefully I answered your question. Anyone else? Tesla. Skyrocketing. I won't look for a sell. On any pullback, there's a missing leg right here. On any pullback, look for buys. Try to join this crazy move. There's a missing leg right here too, so we're heading up all the way. You're welcome, Cappy. Kinox. What is it? Kenos, which Kenos you're talking about? Yeah. Yes. This one. It's good to look for a buy, Neil. If you're interested in this one, wait for on the 4 hour a nice momentum candle to the upside and take your buy on the correction. Okay guys, thank you for attending. Don't forget to visit our website we're offering 7-day free trial to check out our live trading. It's $25 a month for the people that can't afford the courses or our academy or the live members area. Hopefully to see you there, and have a beautiful week and trade safe.